what's up guys? Alexander Bosko here, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a customized iPhone case from customenvy.com. Tell me if I pronounced envy correctly. I will put the link in the description. That's the website where you can customize your own iPhone cases and also Samsung. But it's only for iPhone and Samsung, so the one I customized is the picture from the musical Cats, the eyes right here. It looks pretty cool. So this will look very good on my black iPhone 7 Plus that I am filming with right now. And when you get the case in the mail, it's going to come in this plastic here. So I got this while it was on sale for the 4th of July, so for about $30. So it was originally $52, but the sale was 50% off, so here's the case in all its glory here. Right here. All black, so pretty cool. With the two eyes from the musical Cats. So, and that's it guys for the quick unboxing of the customized Cats case from customenvy.com. I'll leave the link in the description. And by the way guys, I am not sponsored guys. That's just to let you guys know. And please make sure to stay tuned for more unboxings and reviews and more tutorials and gaming and more Adventure Time Plus videos. And please comment and like and subscribe if you are new here as well. And also please turn on the upload post notifications so you guys don't miss a video every time I upload a video. And now this will be Alexander Bosko now signing off. And peace out guys. Bye.